want. Power. Original lithium battery design by Road Warrior with heavy-duty trucking in mind. LightningVolt gives you more power in every detail. LightningVolt's precision active cell balancing ensures maximum capacity each and every charge cycle, even under heavy use. LightningVolt is capable of 2,000 to 4,000 charge cycles. That's 10 times more life compared to traditional batteries with 2 times greater depth of discharge every time. So you can have that freedom to do what you want. 2 times more power, and you want more power.